Hello and welcome to another video. This is LTCUSD 60-minute chart, and let's see together where is our support, where is our resistance, and what will happen probably in next days. First of all, let's see this beautiful bearish trend line here, and as you can see, this is our bearish trend line here, and with this static resistance, probably we have a good resistance here in 88 price. If market can't break this resistance here in next hours or next days, probably we have a bearish trend until here. And if this bullish trend line here break, probably we have a sharp bearish trend. So be careful about money management. Don't forget money management. And if this bullish trend line here break, I think this is our first support here. And second support, if we use Elliott wave here, this is our Elliott wave, wave 1, 2, 3, and probably this is our wave 4, and maybe we have a wave 5. And look at this falling wedge here. This is probably A, B, C, D, E. I can't say 100%, but it's look like we have a bearish trend here in this week. I can't say 100%. All this analysis based on probability. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget money management. Don't forget like and subscribe.